While there is no definitive list of what makes or breaks your time at St. Bonaventure, taking advantage of these 5 opportunities will help make your time worthwhile. Take a trip to Merton's Heart. Merton's Heart is a spacious hilltop clearing that overlooks campus on the far side of the Allegheny River. Thomas Merton, a famous Trappist writer, is said to have meditated in this scenic meadow. Whether or not Merton actually spent his free time up in the clearing he lent his name to, the Heart of Merton is an absolute must-see that too many St. Bonaventure students fail to make their way up to. Run a radio show at the Buzz. Whether you take radio and broadcasting very seriously, or are looking for a resume builder, or you and a buddy are looking for a fun way to kill some time, any student would regret graduating from St. Bonaventure without taking a turn as a DJ on WSBU 88.3 The Buzz. Getting involved is surprisingly easy for a radio show ranked 4th in the country by the Princeton Review. Securing a solid spot for your radio show is as simple as filling out an application. Grab a Burton burger. There is no food item more highly revered at St. Bonaventure or so closely linked to its long tradition than the Burton burger. The Burton kitchen serves up handmade, homemade burgers on butter brush buns from 11:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day but Sunday. Although any condiment at the help yourself style condiment bar is worth piling on, no Burton burger is complete without a heavy helping of their trademark everything sauce. Explore the finer points of the library. Though the library doesn't offer much as a graduate research library, it is the host to a wide array of fascinating but drastically underutilized resources. Due in most part to the efforts of Professor Paul Spaeth, the library's director, the library hosts a staggeringly large comic book collection. It also plays host to St. Bonaventure's Rare Book Room, a 9,000-volume collection of rare and unique pieces dating back to the 1100s. Build relationships with the facility staff. Although getting in the good graces of the facility staff isn't necessarily a tradition or an attraction at St. Bonaventure, it definitely offers perks that you can't afford to miss out on. Conversing with the food service staff and acknowledging their humanity is a great way to build the community you want to be a part of on campus. So for more tips and tricks on colleges and universities, check out our website,